Hello everyone, back for another doll video, and today I went to, actually it's nighttime, so tonight actually I went to the Family Dollar, and guess what they had? Wabam, they have Rainbow High dolls. They still have some of the cheer dolls left over, but they had some of the new budget line Rainbow High dolls, so, and I missed out on getting this one from Series 3, so yeah, she doesn't have the colored streaks in her hair, but I can always add those if I want to. So I'm gonna get, I know I've got some scissors. There they are. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. So beautiful ombre metallic, and it does have her design focus on the side, and it has, her box is like crushed and all that, but I don't care. So, and yet my specific Family Dollar, she was $20, which I thought they were supposed to be like 15, but I didn't care too much because I didn't get a chance to get this doll, and I'll have like parts of her original outfit until I find the original one secondhand. So, but yeah, this really pretty ombre over here, on the bottom with all the information, and yeah. So yeah, it says Series 3 at the top. So yeah. Now we're gonna take her out. So yeah, I had seen X Canadensis do a video over these, and apparently she has Daria's shoe mold, but in purple. So, which personally I didn't really like either of the shoes that this doll came with, so I much prefer the I much prefer the ones that this one comes with, so. And because the box is smashed, it is kind of hard to just slide this out. So yeah, the back of the packaging isn't like regular Rainbow High packaging. It's not all holographic on the inside. It's just matte colors, but, you know. So yeah, you can see her shoes in there. And we're just gonna cut her out. I do not like to cut that because I don't want to risk cutting her hair. She does have some little tabs in her head. Oh. So yeah, I just grab onto her head and like pull, and it breaks those little tabs. So I'm not going back there with a pair of scissors and risk cutting the doll's hair. I'm sure that, yes, there is one at the waist, at the arms. Oh. Actually, I will come back when I have all those cut, and then you can watch me like pull her out. So, be right back. Okay, so I cut all the tabs that were holding her in, except for her hair, because I always find it satisfying to just slide the hair right out. And she does have, these do have the same exact hair quality of regular Rainbow High dolls. Even though these are budget lines, watch this. So they do have the neck articulation. So yeah, and of course now, those tabs are in the back of her head. I'm just gonna push them to make them go in a little bit. Wow, her part line goes really far down, like it goes all the way down to there. And there's her rooting. It's okay. She's got a lot of hair right in this spot. Yeah, there's a gap, but you know, can always fill that in. Okay, so let me get her hair. So this is how long her hair is. It goes to her calf. She's heavy. She's not lightweight or anything. Ugh, I'm just obsessed with the lips. Like, that's one thing I didn't really like on the regular release, is that she had that pink in there and stuff, but now she has these like black cherry lips. Ugh. And her eye makeup does have an ombre effect. She's the first Rainbow High doll, I believe, that I have with this eye color. And yeah, she doesn't, this specific one doesn't have any highlights or anything, but I can add those. There was a little product, oh, it's like completely disintegrated now, so there was gel in her hair, but now it's completely gone. Like little to no effort to get rid of the gel. And there's no comb or anything like that in there, so it's just the doll, her outfit, and the shoes. She does have the hip articulation though. Like, she doesn't have hips that go like forward and backward. No, she actually does have the hip articulation that they would normally come with. So the only articulation that she's lacking is knee, elbow, and wrist. That's it. But she has the pivotable neck joint. The head doesn't go only side to side. There is rotation, and there's rotation at the hips. So yeah, her hips can go all the way out. And yeah, her hair is like this really gorgeous grape hair color. It's like a grapey color. And she has those, actually they're not black cherry. It kind of is, but it's more of a dark plum color for her lip. Ugh. I'm living. She's got so much blush on. I'm obsessed with that. It's not really picking it up on camera, but yeah, that is her. And there is painted details on the shoes. There's no painted nails, but I have nail polish, so yes. That is a new Rainbow High budget doll. They had pretty much all of them there, so now am I gonna pay like $20 for them? I don't know. This one I was like, you know, I don't have her yet, so. And the store was literally just 10 minutes away. So I literally walked to this store. It was at the Family Dollar, which is literally 10 minutes walking, so I didn't have to ride my bike all the way up to Target or anything, so yeah, I've been saving up my money to get Rainbow High dolls, because I'm obsessed with them, because they are amazing. Like, some people say they don't like the big head thing, and I get that. I was the same way about, like, that. I was the same way with Bratz dolls when they first came out. Like, I wasn't used to the more cartoony, stylized fashion doll design. But those eventually grew on me, and then these. The quality is just amazing. Is this doll worth like $20? No. I don't know what is going on with Family Dollar, but I think these are supposed to be like $16.99 or $15.99, something like that, but I haven't seen these at Target or any other stores, so I caved and I got her for that much. Which they literally had the cheer dolls there too, and those were also $20 with full articulation and accessories and all that, so I don't know what is going on at my Family Dollar, but I'm just glad I actually have this one. She's super pretty. And, you know, I can always like root streaks into her hair if I want to. So yeah, that's my little review. Oh, she does have earring holes. Look at that. So you can pop some earrings in there. So yeah, I heard that all of them have earring holes, so they can share earrings with the other dolls. So yeah. Yeah, that was kind of the way I said that was kind of like an old YouTube video that I used to watch a long time ago by a creator called Watermelon813. And she literally did that whole little thing because she was like swapping. It was a Moxie Girls, like when the Moxie Girl dolls were brand new and they just hit stores. And so she was doing a comparison. This was way back in the day, like 2009, somewhere in there. And she was like seeing if they could share earrings, and she had a Bratz doll, and then she popped the earring out of one of the Moxie Girls and put it in the Bratz doll, and she was like, they can share earrings. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. So yeah, I kind of stole that little thing, so. But yeah, if y'all want some nostalgia, go watch. You just type in I Got Moxie Girls or something in the search bar on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll see it. I'm still obsessed with that video because you get to see the dolls when they're brand new, and her camera had really good qualities, and it just flooded me with nostalgia because I got into the Moxie Girls when they first came out, and a lot of things about Rainbow High makes me think, like a lot of design elements of Rainbow High dolls makes me think of like the Moxie Girls and the Moxie Teens. So, and also, if y'all didn't know, Moxie Teens and Rainbow High dolls can share shoes. So, they do have the same size feet, so you can squeeze Moxie Teens into Rainbow High shoes. Just so you know. So anyhow, that's my rambly video. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.